Hey everyone, I want to take a minute to talk about the future of this channel and where we're going in 2026. Over the last year, we've poured a ton of energy into the Skallywag Tactical YouTube channel. You've seen the subscriber count grow and the engagement has been incredible. I appreciate every single one of you who has tuned into the knowledge transfer videos, the training concepts, and the mindset work. As many of you know, I wear a few different hats, handling military contracts, running my martial arts academy, and developing the Elite U training platform. Because we were pushing so hard here on Skallywag, my own channel, Elite U, had to take a backseat. But that is about to change. Going forward, Skallywag and I decided to streamline things to serve you better. The Skallywag Tactical channel is going to focus strictly on hardware. Product videos, specs, and specific how-tos for those tools. But the software, the fight knowledge, the self-defense methodology, the Q&A, and the deep dives into survival psychology is moving to the Elite U YouTube channel. So if you are here for the training and the knowledge transfer videos, you need to go to the URL on the screen right now and subscribe to the Elite U YouTube channel. Link will be in the description. We are hitting the ground running after the new year with a consistent schedule of high-level instruction that you're used to. Skallywag is for the tools, Elite U is for the knowledge. Click the link, subscribe, and I'll see you there.